Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Cryptokip, and today we're going to be talking about Crocoin and why you should consider holding on to it, DCAing, buying more, because guys, there is a lot of news coming out and there's a lot of fear in the markets right now. And recently the price action has been pretty slow, and so it's getting more and more difficult to hold on. But I want to tell you that there is light at the end of the tunnel, not only with Cryptocom coin, but with Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of our favorite crypto projects, and for others, maybe not so much, but we're going to get into that here more in a minute. If you guys like this kind of content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. I got 3 videos coming every single day. We are going to give away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel. And we do have an announcement coming up. There is some technical analysis coming up by my partner, Maxi Finance. Very soon, we will be doing that for you guys, in addition to the 3 videos every single day. So very excited about that. Let's take a peek here at these markets, get some framework for what we're dealing with today. We just missed $1 trillion market cap today, and Bitcoin is back up to $20,000, and that is good to see. $20,000 Bitcoin once again, a $1,300 ETH, and we're just kind of hanging in there. Our exchange tokens are doing pretty well. Everything's kind of floating. But what's the story for the day? Well, yep, 11 cent. Crocoin still just under 11 cents. Let's look at some of these stories here. So, 1, crypto slump leaves 12,100 coins trapped in a zombie trading limbo. Well, what the heck does that mean? Well, Bloomberg Finance, they're talking a little bit about this, and it's pretty funny. I like their zombie they have here as well. But they're talking about over a month time, a coin that has 0 trades basically becomes a zombie. So there's 12,100 coins that have no trades happening, which is crazy to think about. And they talk a little bit about this because, you know, Bitcoin's still getting trades, obviously. Ethereum's getting trades. Crypto.com's getting trades. But there's some coins out there, you know, Dogecoin Mars, though that's probably got some trades, but you know, that's a more risky coin, right? Saitama is a coin I've heard people talk about. That coin might be struggling right now. You know, it's not a very big project. You know, you got to do your research. You got to make sure, you know, you're looking into some of these projects, because a lot of these projects do die and turn into zombies, especially during a bear market. Now, in a bull market, some of these coins could come back and they could fly and they could be some of the biggest gainers in the market, right? But with that comes an insane amount of risk, and a lot of these coins will die forever. But here's a couple statistics I want to show you. The rise of the zombies chart, as they have it here. Coins that haven't traded for a month by year. So in 2017, there was 4 coins that did it. In 2018, there was 136 coins that did it. 2019, 766 coins. 2020, 1,500 coins that did it. In 2021, there was 3,700 coins. And all of a sudden in 2022, we've jumped up to 12,100 coins that aren't trading at all over a month. This is pretty incredible. Cool quote here. During the bull market of 2021, there was plenty of money, attention, and liquidity for new and existing projects. And that's true. And that's exactly why we saw this growth into 2022 as these projects launched and the market's dead. So that's kind of what we're experiencing. And by the way, when I say the market's dead, I'm just saying we're in a bear market. However, in the ongoing bear market, even good projects with utility will struggle to sustain their operations as they lose access to capital and funding. So guys, this is part of the reason that I am so bullish on Crocoin and Crypto.com, because they have not lost access to their capital and their funding. They have partnerships left, right, up, down, sideways. They've got Crypto.com capital. They're doing great. FTX, fantastic, getting seated in the White House for meetings. You've got Binance, which is helping authorities catch crypto criminals. Guys, there's projects that are established, and there's projects that are not established yet, and they're going to struggle. So, you know, Cronos, though it's not doing, you know, huge pumps and huge gains for us as of late, look, we're in a bear market. We're holding on for the long term. We're holding on to Cronos and our other projects that we like because we believe in them. We've done the research. We know there's value there. We know that they're not going to become a zombie coin, right? So you got to ask yourself, are you holding on to a zombie? If you are, you might want to consider, why don't you have a little bit more Bitcoin? Or maybe you want to trade that for Bitcoin, or focus your new buying power into Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cronos, FTX, some of these more established projects, even projects like Anchor and this, that, the other. There's so many projects, guys, that you could be investing in right now. Ripple, you could invest in Sologenic, you could invest in Quant, you could invest in Solana, you can invest in Polkadot. There's so many projects that are still sticking around. Crypto.com, obviously, that will do better for you than some of these zombies. So you got to be aware of the zombies. I just wanted to point that out for you guys. If you have a zombie, maybe you don't hold on to that. Maybe you do. Depends how big the bag is, right? But you want to make sure you're getting into projects that won't become these zombies. Another thing I want to point out, reason you got to hold on. We're getting into October, and October is bullish. Look at all these previous Octobers. They've been pretty spectacular. Last October was a 39% pump for Bitcoin. That was fantastic. We're already up 3% for the month of October. That's really great to see. But there's been some historically huge pumps in not only October, but November and December. January could get a little bloody again, and then February looks good. So there's a lot of good things coming. We got through the hard part of the year, which is that fall, the August, September are traditionally some of the worst months for Bitcoin and crypto. So, if you got through it this far, you want to hold tight, because again, Cronos coin was at $1. Bitcoin was at 69,000. You've got a 10x easy for Cronos to get back to its all-time highs, and you've got an easy 4x for Bitcoin to get back to its all-time highs. And guys, that crypto is going to go the distance, and it's going to be around for a long time, because we're seeing a lot of regulation in our favor. Another thing you got to look at as a positive. This is Do Kwon right here. He's the founder of Terra Luna, and he is getting held accountable for his actions in bringing a project that made a lot of people lose their money. Terra's Do Kwon denies that his Bitcoin is frozen, so he's going to Twitter and he's denying that the South Korean authorities are claiming that they have frozen several $100 million worth of his assets, and he is currently denying on Twitter that this is happening, which is hilarious, preposterous. Not a lot of folks in the crypto community are on his side right now, and for good reason, right? He gives crypto a bad name right now. He's getting chased down by the authorities, and we need more folks to be cracking down on guys like Do Kwon, because Terra Luna, though it's not a crypto zombie, it's not healthy for the community right now. It's really speculation. Do Kwon's project died, and now there's a lot of people that are getting really speculative on it right now. And look, if you got Terra Luna, I cheer you on. I really hope you guys make some money, but please be careful. There's a lot of chaos going on with that project right now. I think there's a lot of whale games going on. And frankly, I believe that we need the Do Kwons of the world out of the space, and I hope he gets held accountable for his actions. And I really hope that, in a way that these are his funds, right? So that he can't cause more chaos for the rest of us in the market. One other thing I wanted to let you guys know is that you got to keep in mind, another bullish event coming down the pipeline for Crypto.com is the FIFA World Cup coming up in Qatar in 2022. This is very big news. It's coming up in 45 days, 18 hours, and 24 minutes. This should help us pump in the bullish month of October. Remember, buy the rumor, sell the news. Well, the rumor's out. The event's coming up. We're 45 days away, so there is a chance of a pump in the meantime and through the event possibly, because the event then lasts for an entire month. So we're talking October, November, December. End of December, it'll be over, but those could be some bullish times, not only for crypto because of the time of the year, but for Crypto.com especially. Because, guys, remember, and I'll show you this. This is the FIFA event website. The FIFA World Cup sponsors, they're right here. And as you can see, boom, 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 you got Crypto.com right there. It is next to McDonald's. It is next to Budweiser. It is a big deal. And so is Crypto.com coin. Guys, they're getting regulatory approval in France, in Italy, in South Korea, you name it. They're working on Canada. I think they might have already even gotten Canada. It is nonstop. They've got $500 million of cash on the sidelines, ready to buy this dip and acquire new companies and do a lot more for the space. They have so many giveaways for developers on the Cronos ecosystem, grant money ready to help build more projects, which hopefully don't become zombies, right? You know, in some of the Cronos projects, right? Those will become zombies too. Full disclosure, right? Not every project succeeds. It only takes a couple to succeed. So you got to pick your winners. You got to try to do your research. We're going to keep 3 videos coming at you guys every single day. And soon, maybe even 4, right? We want to do some TA. We're going to introduce Black Sea, my partner on the channel. And we're going to do a little more technical analysis for you. But that's all I got in today's video, guys. I am Cryptokip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. And as always, you've got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.